What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube video. In my today's video we're going to talk about what actually happened yesterday in the stock market and what would be the impact of that pullback on AMC. If any major correction is coming in, how it will impact the AMC stock. We're going to talk all about it. We're going to check the options flow for the next week. In my opinion, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen for the next week for AMC Entertainment and for other few stocks as well. So as we know, there was a new variant coming in, Omicron, and it created a panic atmosphere in the entire stock market. Even the Bitcoin is going down. Should you be worried? The answer is no. Now a stock market crash could be a lot of pain for a lot of investors, but in the AMC and GME it's completely the opposite. Both of these stocks are heavily shorted. So what's basically going to happen initially is definitely AMC and GME are both going to go down, and then the shorts will start covering up because their entire portfolio will be also going down. And in order to maintain their short position on AMC and GME, they need liquidity which will go down along with the entire market. So they will be getting a margin call in which they have to cover their short position, which will lead to a short squeeze in AMC as well as GME. We don't live in a perfect world, so the outcome could be anything, but in my personal opinion, I wish the short squeeze happen when the market is in an upward direction or in a sideways direction. I don't want to be in that state where the market is going down and AMC as well as GME also going down, and I'm expecting those to have a short squeeze. Though I have my conviction in it that this is what's going to happen eventually, but there will be a lot of people, those who doesn't have conviction towards this stock, like how it's going to be working like that. When the stock market is going down, these stocks are going to have a short squeeze in it. It could be a little bit troublesome. It might not happen straight away. It might take 2 to 3 weeks time before AMC and GME start going up. For a new investor, it could be a very intimidating state where they just don't have an understanding towards how the market works, how the stocks those who have been shorted works. He's supposed to announce something today on Sunday. Hope for the best it comes in our favor. It's something to do with an NFT or some sort of a dividend. It's a surprise and we all are waiting for it. What's going to happen, what Adam Aaron is going to say. This is the chart of GameStop. So what happened at the end of January? We had a short squeeze in this stock and it almost went up to $500. And then Robinhood removed the buy button and then the stock went back down to $40 something. And then what we can see is people start buying back again and this stock again went up. Now there is a resistance for this stock that is almost around from 150 to 170 range. See, every time it reaches to this point there is a rebound in the stock. These are heavy manipulated stocks, so you cannot predict them, but there is a resistance pattern over here which you can see in the chart. So every time it gets around this point, the range is between 150 to 170. Anything lower than 150 is a go-go. But the thing is, the price of this stock is way too much expensive as compared to AMC. So just running a call option could be a good idea. If you don't know how to do options, I will make a video on options and I will explain you in the simplest form that how you can run options. So what we see over here, this is a chart of the SPY. Just on the announcement of the Omicron virus, there was a little bit of a pullback. There is nothing to be scared about. This is still having an upward direction and I think it will still keep going up. So this is definitely a scary scenario. As we can see, the S&P 500 is continuously going up. There will be a pullback coming in, but I don't think so that Omicron variant is going to be that catalyst which will create a downturn on the SPY. I personally believe it's going to be the interest rate which is going to create a significant pullback for S&P 500. But till then, all these news will keep coming and going. A few months back, we have this Evergrande crisis when everybody started panicking. Every time there is a news about a stock market crash or anything which can create some sort of a pullback on S&P 500, shareholders of AMC and GME get excited because we know what's going to happen when a stock market crashes there. But I personally want these two stocks to squeeze in an upward direction of a SPY. That's how we can maximize in our profit. Because if there is a downturn on S&P 500, the stock market is crashing, there will be a lot of people, those who will be skeptic about buying AMC or GME because the stock market is going down. So a lot of people will be scared. Just imagine if there is a short squeeze in AMC and GME right now when we have a upward direction on S&P 500, people won't be scared in buying into those stock because they are very confident it's a very healthy market. We should also try to make some quick money out of the short squeeze, so people won't be scared of buying those stocks if we experience a short squeeze in AMC as well as GME. But if there is a downturn, there will be a lot of people out there, those who will be skeptic about putting their money into a play which is not guaranteed that it will go up or not, because the entire market is coming down. So that's a very scary scenario for anyone out there. Like I mentioned about Shiba Inu, this is a complete falling knife. If you are trying to buy the dip on this one, I don't know how long it's going to go down just like that. Now people are trying to make their assumptions that there will be a jump on Shiba Inu from here onwards, but you never know. This is an absolute example of a falling knife. You have to be very careful when you're buying the dip. If you have already bought Shiba Inu up here or somewhere in between, I would rather say stay away from it for a little while. See how long it goes down just like this, because the amount of red candles we are having in between, this thing is going to go down a little bit more further. So if you're thinking of yourself investing in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, stay strong.